This is Lexus' first full electric car, the RZ450e, which shares the same platform with the Toyota BZ4X and the Subaru Solterra, called e-TNGA BEV platform that is dedicated to manufacture battery-powered electric vehicles. Exterior design. Since it imparts a stage to the Toyota BZ4X and Subaru Solterra, the Lexus RZ is comparative in size and extent. Lexus says it focused on aerodynamics with the SUV's shape and notes that the plan produces downforce in the back and lessens haul for better footing, range, and speed increase. The RZ's back highlights even lines and a plan to feature the SUV's wide position. Another Lexus logo explains the brand name and replaces the organization's pastel logo. 5 colors will be accessible, including 2-tone paint choices. The RZ have no grille unlike other Lexus cars. Instead, there's a small air vent at the bottom of the front fascia of the car. It comes standard with 18-inch wheels. More bigger wheels will be optional when it goes on sale. The overall exterior design is derived from the rugged Lexus NX, as you can see right now on your screen. The RZ's interior is very nearly a duplicate of the Lexus NX's inner cabin. The RZ450e interior looks open for a mid-size SUV and very upscale, with most surfaces wrapped with fake calfskin or manufactured cowhide. A simplicity-focused interior design in the RZ's interior has removed many buttons and switches from the dashboard and doors and relocated those things to the large touch infotainment display. Similar approaches have been employed in other electric vehicle models from Tesla and Polestar, with varying results. There's a round knob gear selector in the center console between the driver and the front seat passenger. Lexus RZ comes with a dim sunroof that convey light from outside into the inner cabin. It can seat 5 people comfortable with heated seats to keep you warm during cold days. Infotainment system and connectivity. An enormous 14.0-inch infotainment touchscreen rules the RZ's dashboard that seems to be like the screen found in the gas-fueled NX. Lexus says the driver can cooperate with the framework by contacting the screen and furthermore by utilizing voice orders. A computerized check show and a head-up show are likewise included. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, both with wireless connectivity capabilities, comes standard. Performance and engine specifications. The RZ450e is powered by a full electric powertrain that Lexus calls Direct 4. It features 2 electric motors, one on each axle, that are powered by a 71.4 kWh battery pack. Lexus says the RZ's front engine will produce 201 horsepower, and the rear engine will produce 107 horsepower. With both front and rear motors combined, the RZ is able to produce a total output of 308 horsepower and 320 pounds-to-foot combined torque. With such power, we guess the RZ450e can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour under 6 seconds. A steer-by-wire system is standard, and Lexus has confirmed that a yoke-style steering wheel will be offered as an option. A regular circular wheel will be standard. Range, charging and battery life. The RZ will use the same 65.6 kWh battery pack as the Toyota BZ4X and Subaru Solterra, which should offer around 225 miles of driving range per charge. Price tag. The RZ will go on sale towards the end of 2022. Lexus hasn't released pricing yet, but we expect the price to start around $50,000 since it shares the same platform with the BZ4X and Solterra. Safety and driver assistance features. Like many other new Lexus cars, the RZ will be offered with a full suite of standard driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automated emergency braking. Additional features will be optional, including an automated parking feature. Key safety features include standard automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, standard lane departure warning with lane keeping assist, standard adaptive cruise control, warranty and maintenance coverage. Lexus provides a competitive limited warranty and an even better powertrain warranty. Limited warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles, powertrain warranty covers 6 years or 70,000 miles, hybrid components are covered for 8 years or 100,000 miles, complimentary maintenance is covered for 1 year or 10,000 miles. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and share this video, and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Till next time.